How fit are the servers in your data center? If you've been putting off a refresh, your company could see key benefits by taking advantage of newer, fitter technologies of the software-defined data center. Older servers are a drag on the health of your overall business. When your hardware can't keep up with growing demands, your company's productivity and revenue could take a hit. For companies in need of a refresh, the Dell EMC PowerEdge R740xd could be just what the doctor ordered to get your business in shape and help modernize your storage with hyper-converged infrastructure. The PowerEdge R740xd leverages VMware vSAN to simplify your storage management while delivering strong performance. At Principal Technologies, we ran a fitness test to show how much a company could gain by consolidating older PowerEdge R720 servers to fewer, newer PowerEdge R740xd servers, powered by the Intel Xeon Scalable processor with all-flash NVMe-based storage. In our test, the PowerEdge R740xd with VMware vSAN processed 8 times the customer orders per minute of the legacy server, which could better equip your organization to keep up with the speed of business. In terms of storage latency, the PowerEdge R740xd with vSAN responded 98% faster than the legacy server with traditional storage, which could lead to a better user experience. And finally, the newer solution processed 12 times the input-output operations per second of the legacy solution, an ability that can enable your company to handle a greater volume of work. In our test of server fitness, the PowerEdge R740xd was the hands-down winner, showcasing its ability to do more work at fast speeds and improve overall customer experience, so your business can stay a step ahead of the competition. As a healthy upgrade for an out-of-shape data center, consider the Dell EMC PowerEdge R740xd. For more information, read the full report.